Today I want to look at types of consumers versus types of insurance agent and what you as an insurance agent must do to reach your target prospect. We're going to look at two basic types of customers. First is your DIY, your do-it-yourself consumers. Now they want 24/7 Amazon feel to shopping for insurance. They want to do it online. They want videos. They want downloadable information. They want the ability to shop prices and coverage options without interacting with agents. And that's fine. There's nothing wrong with those. You just have to make sure that you understand that that's the type of consumer that you're looking for. Those are usually auto insurance customers. They feel like they can do everything online. And they're only concerned with price. You know, they're not concerned with coverage options. They're not concerned with advice. They're not concerned with your professionalism and how much expertise you have. They're really concerned with price, and there's nothing wrong with that. So you have to make sure that if you want to be the type of agency that's best for a do-it-yourself consumer, that you do a lot of third-party outbound marketing campaigns, such as emails, telemarketing, radio, mailing. They're expensive to go after, and they don't stay with you very long. The agency needs to be more focused on volume of sales than quality of sales. It needs to be a tech-driven insurance agency. Like I said, a lot of online stuff. The online quoting tools and raters that you have must provide an instant quote because, again, they're not looking to talk to a person. They want to get the information up front. Agencies that have resources such as video and downloadable information, they need to make sure that it's easily available. They need to make sure that the ability to easily provide prices and coverage options without interacting with an agent is there. A lot of times we'll tell agencies, make sure that you have your rater set up on your website so the person can get a live quote right then and there. That's the do-it-yourself consumer. And there's nothing wrong with those guys. You just have to understand what you're dealing with. Next are consumers that start their insurance research online but want the advice of an expert. See, some people just want information, and then some people want to gather information and then let an expert actually break that down and give them advice. Generally, people that start their insurance research online but want the advice of an expert, they want a local agent. They want resources such as video and downloadable information easily available, but they want advice, not just information. They want to make sure that their insurance products are handled well because usually they're more complicated. They're homeowners, commercial, financial products, things like that. They're not simple as auto insurance. They rely on testimonials, written reviews, and recommendations from a professional, friend, or family member. So guys, it's really important that you gather testimonials not just from your current customers, but you gather testimonials as often as possible because there's a whole breed of consumer out there that they want to read what other people are saying about you. They also attend presentations like live speaking engagements, conference calls, and webinars. Now, again, they know that there's a boatload of information. That's not the problem. The key is they want someone that they can go to for advice that's local, they want to make sure that you've checked all the boxes, that you didn't leave anything unturned. And that's really the kind of customer that you want, to be honest with you. So who's the best type of insurance agent for advice shoppers? Well, one, you want to have a strong local SEO presence because, again, they're looking local. So they want to be able to find your name, address, phone number. They want to be able to find a picture of your shop. They want to be able to stop by your office, give you a call, all those different things. So you need a strong local SEO presence. You need multiple business referral partners, not just one realtor that talks about you, but you need 10 realtors talking about you. You need 15 or 20 of the different types of professions that cater to your target prospect. You want 15 or 20 of those folks out there talking about you because that's helping to establish you locally. You want a constant presence in local activities. So if there's a charity, there's a fundraiser, there's a run, there's a this, they want to see your name constantly out there because you want to be part of the community and they want you to be part of the community. Warm transfer leads work well for this. Usually people are shopping local. They go on, they'll find you mobile, they'll find on the mobile search, they'll do all those things, and then they'll want to talk to an advisor. That's the best way to put it. They want to talk to an advisor. So they'll do their shopping, they'll do their research, they'll find out all that stuff, but then they'll pick up the phone and call and say, hey, I'd like to talk to someone. So warm transfer leads work well for that. Purchased internet leads, they're not as good as we all know, but this is a person who has done some research online. They put their information in online and they've gone out and said, hey, I want to talk to an agent. So purchased internet leads, though expensive, you may get a 5% return on them, but they do work well for this type of customer. Testimonials displayed on Google, agency website, and social networking sites. Guys, again, these guys are out reading, talking to people. They want to find out about you. They're not just out looking for information. They're looking for advice. So you need to make sure that you're really gathering those testimonials, that you're putting them out on Google, that you're putting them out on your website, and that your social networking sites are robust. And that leads us to our final thing, which is you need a strong local social networking connections and interactions. So what does that mean? That means if you're doing what we're asking you to do with the new customer process, every single new customer is asked to connect with you on social networking. You've got a strong LinkedIn presence. You've got a strong Facebook presence, both a personal Facebook presence and a business Facebook presence. All those things are really, really working well for you. Guys, if you get those done, the 30 free type of leads that are 30 free ways of generating leads will really maximize for you because you know who you're working with. But these are the core things that you want to make sure that you're getting done if you want that higher quality customer. Again, strong local SEO, multiple business referral partners, a constant presence in local activities, warm transfer leads, purchased internet leads if you want to spend the money, testimonials displayed on Google, agency website, and social networking sites, and that you have a strong local social networking presence so that you can get to those advice shoppers.